At approximately 12:33 a.m., off-duty Austin Police Officer Gabriel Gutierrez made a 911 call, reporting that he had been involved in a shooting. Gutierrez, who was driving his personal vehicle, told dispatch that the driver of another vehicle, later identified as 27-year-old Alex Gonzalez, had cut him off and pointed a firearm at him. Gutierrez fired several rounds into Gonzalez's car. That exchange, however, was not captured on Bodycam. What you're seeing now is responding officers arriving at the scene moments later.
Austin 911, police fire.
Hey, off-duty APD, APA 063, I've shots fired, 2400 Wickersham Lane.
2400 Wickersham Lane?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many did you hear?
What's that?
How many was it?
The victim, the driver, the other vehicle, he has a gun. I'm not shot. I need EMS over here.
Been bringing them on. Ambulance, what is the address of the emergency? Ambulance, what is the address of the emergency? EMS is an off-duty officer. He's at 2400 Wickersham Lane. Is it 2500 Wickersham?
Yeah.
2400 at the High Point Apartments.
No, I'm sorry. 2500 Wickersham Lane. 2500 in the street. Hey, drop your gun! Austin Police! He's moving. He's got a gun in his hand.
Okay. We're gonna stage for officers to.
No, don't stage. I'm APD. He's got a gun in his hand. I need officers now.
Yeah.
I'm an Austin Police officer.
APD is on the way. EMS is gonna stage.
Yeah. EMS needs a stage.
Okay.
Austin Police,
Okay.
put your gun down, man. Let me see your hands. Hands up, man. EMS is coming. Put your hands up. Hey, hands up, man. He's hanging out the door. He's got a gun in his hand. There's a passenger. She's lying on the ground. Female passenger.
Okay. So tell me exactly what happened.
It was a road rage incident. I was driving and he cut me off and he pointed a gun at me.
Okay. Is anybody injured?
Yes, the driver of the other vehicle, he's shot. Put your gun down. Austin Police, put your gun down. Don't make me shoot you again, man. It's the police. I don't know if the passenger shot or not. She's lying on the ground.
Okay. That's all right. We do have APD dispatch on the line. Did y'all want fire resources as well?
Yes, sir. My AP is 8063.
80.
Hey, just keep your hands up, man. Lie down on the ground and keep your hands up. Okay, the female passenger, she's lying on the ground. She's saying, my baby, my baby, my baby. The driver, he's standing. He's got blood all over his face. He's standing. I don't know if he's still got the gun in his hand or not.
Okay. Is there a baby involved or is she pregnant? Do we not?
I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea. She's just saying, my baby. I'm not approaching the vehicle. I'm standing behind my vehicle.
I understand.
All right, there's units coming right now. Do you
know if he's awake and breathing?
Yeah, he's standing up right now.
Okay.
Hey, put your gun down, man. It's the police. Our units are here. Can I disconnect?
Yeah,
Don't reach in your pocket. Don't reach in your pocket.
Officer Luis Arado, in full uniform and driving a marked patrol vehicle, was among the first to arrive. Gonzalez's vehicle was stopped at the curb, visibly damaged. The passenger, a female, was already outside the car and screaming. An infant child was inside the vehicle in a car seat.
Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up! Malas arriba!
Got a gun in the driver's side. I don't know.
Malas arriba!
He had pointed it at me.
Malas arriba!
Want me to get back or no?
Yeah, get back.
Okay. I have my gun. I'm gonna put it up, okay? Turn around.
Malas arriba! Put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Manos arriba.
Put your hands up! Don't reach! Do not reach!
Got a gun there in the driver's seat. Okay. Do not reach for your gun. No.
Do not do it! Do not reach!
My baby. Put your hands up. Walk. Turn around. Walk.
Come on, keep walking!
Walk. Walk away from the car. Now.
Turn around! Turn around! Stop! Alto! Alto! No! Get away from her! No, don't reach! Do not go in the... Do not reach! He's reaching? All right, do not reach! Hey! Alto! Alto! Over here! Alto! Alto! No! Do not reach! Do not reach!
As officers approached, Gonzalez exited his vehicle without being told to do so. Officers immediately ordered him to show his hands and not reach into the vehicle. Despite repeated commands in both English and Spanish, Gonzalez walked to the rear of his car. He then moved toward the passenger side and reached for the rear door handle. At this point, Officer Serrato and others shouted warnings. Don't reach inside the car. Gonzalez opened the door and reached into back seat. Within seconds, officers fired multiple rounds.
No! Cover your head! Put it out, put it out. I don't see anything in the car right now.
Officers secured the area, cleared the vehicle, and called EMS to assist a wounded passenger. Gonzalez was pronounced dead at the scene. The female passenger was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries. The infant child was unharmed and was taken to the hospital as a precaution. A firearm was later recovered from the driver's side floorboard of Gonzalez's vehicle.
Put your hands up! Walk! Turn around! Walk! Walk! Keep walking! Walk! Walk away from the car! Now! Turn around! Turn around! Stop! Alto! Alto! No! Get over here! No, don't reach! Do not go on the... Do not reach! Reaching?
This case sparked public debate about use of force policies, off-duty police actions, and how officers handle high-risk stops involving civilians and firearms.
Cover your head! I don't see anything in the car right now.
The incident is still under review by the department and remains a subject of public scrutiny. No officers were immediately charged in connection with the shooting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more verified law enforcement body cam footage. Stay aware. Stay safe.
Hey!